Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your Galaxy S23 Ultra, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your Galaxy S23 Ultra. This time I have two cases from a company called Simtech. They are a sister company to the company called Hummix, and they sent me out these two cases for review. I have used Hummix before for my Pixel 7 Pro and then also my Galaxy Z Fold 4, which was a shocker. Those cases probably were some of my favorite cases that I have been using for those devices. In this video, we'll make sure everything fits well, everything lines up. Can you wireless charge? Do you get lip protection, camera protection on here? The normal things you look for in a case video. They sent me out their slim fit clear case, and then they have a camera cover case on here, which we'll review both of them and go over the designs. But let's get into it. I mean, packaging is pretty simple. They give you a microfiber cloth in there, because I know this might attract some fingerprints. So this is a TPU case, not hard plastic, but they say it will protect your phone from drops. And it's going to show off your beauty of your phone. Like that. Look, that is beautiful. Definitely beautiful. Do you get lip protection? Yes, you do at the top and the bottom. Again, I wouldn't slam this down, but if you lay it there, you don't have a screen protector, which I highly recommend you get one. But here you go. You have some room in there. Again, I wouldn't slam the phone down. On the back, you do get camera protection too. If I can show that off on the camera. The power button is nice and easy to press. The volume rockers are easy to press too. The only design flaw I see is they're together, so you don't know which one are you pressing, the up or the down volume. So that could be, done a little bit differently. The cutouts at the top line up. Everything at the bottom lines up. It's easy to get the pen out. It's not too hard. I don't know why case companies will not go all the way down to the frame like some case companies do. They should. So this is the clear slim fit. Doesn't add bulk. I mean, not much bulk to this case at all, but gives you that drop protection. The overall fit, I mean, it's kind of loose at the bottom though. But it goes back though, I mean, it's not bad. And let's see how you take it off. Now taking this case off, you have to use some good force to take that off, which is a good thing. At least I believe so. Can you wireless charge? I don't think you will have a problem. Yes, you can wireless charge with this case on there. Like I said in all my videos, these cases are becoming like wireless charge. It's almost like a thing you don't even have to try out anymore. But I'm gonna do it. So this is the clear one. Let's check out the other one they sent to me. Same packaging from them. You get the same microfiber cloth in each one. Now here is this one. This one won't show off the beauty, but it has like a lens protector in there. But do you really need that? I guess you can if you're not taking pictures. Close it off. If you drop your phone, it's just an extra protection in there. But do you get camera protection with it open? Yes, you do. You also get the same type of lip action as the other one. Nice little design in the back. Not bad. Now these power buttons are ridged, both of them, and they separated. The volume rockers shouldn't be ridged though, but they are. Easy to press too. The volume rockers are easy to press. Now you just slide this over. Bam. Protects your lens. Slide it back. And you have it open there. Everything lines up at the bottom really good. Also at the top. It's easy to get the pen out, especially if you have fingernails. But you can get the pen out pretty easy there too. The fit is pretty good. Now it's a little loose again around the edges there, but I mean, it comes back. Same thing with taking this case off. It does take some work, but it's not too hard. But you don't want it where it comes off easy. Because if you drop this phone, the case is going to stay on there. Here's a little side profile of it. Now on this one, at the top, it does add a little bit more bulk, especially with this part here. But it's not bad though. But it does add some bulk. So which one was your favorite? The camera cutout here, the little case there, or are you more of a clear case guy or lady? Which one was your favorite? Y'all let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.